These are going to be the west elevators at the Texas Capitol Complex Underground Annex building.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay, there's G. Parking levels are locked.
Oh. Marble walls.
Granite walls. Let's go to E2. And they're now being modernized.
Four elevators. Interesting.
On this side, 4 on the other side. Stopping on E1. You going down or up?
I am. Down is just our parking. Are you all?
I'm just going
Oh,
to...
you're going to E2. Good for you.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll get it off here.
All right. E2. And there it goes. That will be it. The Texas Capitol Underground Annex, and these are the east elevators. Dover Custom Impulse.
Up or down?
Up. The parking levels are closed.
So we'll only get short orders.
Like that bell. Bumpers. Go to G. Door close button works. Like that.
And this one's glitchy. No, both of them are glitchy. Oh, we're stopping.
E1. Going up. You're welcome. Let's go to E2. Parking levels are locked. These are going to be modernized.
You hear the gears very well.
Yeah. Let's go on this again.
This one's a bit more modern, but this is the underground, it's the extension, so.
Now for a silent trip to E2.
Nice bell.
And nice motors. Wow, what a motor. Well,
That will be it.
and they will be modernized. So, that's it.